Hey guys, quick declutter today. I'm taking a break from the office, going through laundry, and I've decided it's time to deal with
My baby brother's crying.
the odd sock thing. Oisin's been pretending to be a baby all morning. It's really annoying. So if you can ignore him in the background, this will be a really quick declutter, less than 10 minutes. What I'm just doing is finding any matchers. These are the pile that we have out to the side. There actually shouldn't be too many to match, and then whatever doesn't match is going in the frickin' bin, because there's been certain socks, I know these three in particular, I've had them here for months and trying to find matchers for them. I think that one as well, and these ones I don't have any spares for them, so it's not like they've been left as a spare for when another sock goes. So yeah, it's not too bad. There's only actually 4 or whatever, because I have tried to be really thorough with this for a while. We have loads, so that is now the new spare, and this little pile is what's going. Decluttering section done in a minute today, which is nice. So I will leave you guys to it, and I will catch you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Cheers.